What if I told you that everything we thought we knew about the universe just got turned upside down? That's right, we're talking about the latest deep-field image from the James Webb Space Telescope, captured with the help of FLAMINGO. This discovery is shaking up the world, and let me tell you, this image is not just a pretty picture. Well, it's a game changer for physics and, of course, science. So let's get started. All right, first things first, let's get to know our star of the show a bit better, the James Webb Space Telescope. This is the largest, most powerful space telescope ever built, capable of capturing images of the farthest reaches of the universe. Just imagine a 3-story building as long as a tennis court floating in space, peering into the deepest corners of the universe. That's the James Webb for you. And this telescope is like a super-powered time machine. It allows scientists to look back in time, about 200 million years after the Big Bang. We're talking about a time when the first galaxies were just starting to form. The James Webb is so powerful it can capture images of these early galaxies. Well, it can observe objects in our solar system from Mars and beyond. It can peek inside dust clouds where new stars and planets are forming. Now you might be wondering, how does the James Webb see all these amazing things? Well, it uses something called infrared radiation. This is light that is invisible to human eyes, but we can feel it as heat. The James Webb uses its infrared cameras to see through dust in our universe. And this allows it to see objects that are so far away that their light has shifted from visible to infrared due to the expansion of the universe. But wait, that's not all. The James Webb also has a giant sun shield about the size of a tennis court. This sun shield helps to block heat and light from the sun, protecting the telescope's instruments and mirrors. The temperature difference between the sun-facing and shaded sides of the telescope is more than 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Talk about extreme temperatures. And about the mirrors. The James Webb uses giant gold-coated mirrors to collect and focus light from distant stars. So the bigger the mirror, the more details the telescope can see. But you know, launching a giant heavy mirror into space is no easy task. So, engineers gave the Webb telescope 18 smaller mirrors that fit together like a puzzle. Now, what makes the James Webb Space Telescope really special is its ability to capture deep-field images. You know, snapshots of the distant universe, showing us galaxies and stars that are billions of light years away. And the latest of these images, captured with the help of FLAMINGO, is what we're here to talk about today. So let's zoom in on this new deep field image that's causing all the buzz. This image is like a cosmic postcard from billions of years ago. It's packed with galaxies, stars, and other celestial objects, each one a tiny speck of light that represents a corner of the universe billions of light years away. But it's not just the sheer number of objects in the image that's impressive, it's what these objects tell us about the universe. The image was captured using FLAMINGO. If you don't know, it's a state-of-the-art instrument designed to detect faint infrared light. So with FLAMINGO's help, the James Webb Space Telescope was able to peer deeper into the universe than ever before, revealing objects that were previously hidden from view. But did you know this image isn't just deeper, it's also sharper? Yes, it provides the deepest and sharpest infrared view of the distant universe to date. Imagine holding a grain of sand at arm's length. The area of the sky that grain of sand covers, that's the patch of sky this image represents. And within that tiny patch, there's a whole universe of galaxies to explore. One of the galaxies galaxies in the image, named LEDA 2046648, is a little over 1 billion light-years from Earth and located in the constellation Hercules. This galaxy caught the eye of scientists because of its large spiral structure. By studying galaxies like LEDA 2046648, scientists can learn more about how galaxies evolve over time. Now here's where things get really interesting. This new image doesn't just give us a glimpse of the distant universe, it also challenges our current understanding of physics and science. That's right, this single image could potentially turn the world of physics and science on its head. So this new deep field image from the James Webb Space Telescope is a treasure trove of data that physicists and scientists can use to test their theories and make new discoveries. And let me tell you, this image is shaking things up. You see, one of the big questions in physics and science is about the nature of dark matter and dark energy. These are mysterious substances that we can't see directly, but we know they're out there because of their gravitational effects. And this new image? Well, it's giving us a fresh look at where dark matter might be hiding and how dark energy is driving the expansion of the universe. But there's more. This image is also giving us a peek at the early universe, back when the first galaxies were just starting to form. You see, by studying these ancient galaxies, physicists and scientists can learn more about how the universe evolved over time. This could lead to new insights into the Big Bang and the cosmic inflation that followed. All these theories could change everything we thought we knew about how the universe works. And what about black holes? These cosmic monsters are some of the most extreme objects in the universe, where the laws of physics as we know them break down. By studying the galaxies in this image, physicists and scientists might be able to spot signs of supermassive black holes lurking at their centers. So yeah, this image opens up new avenues for research and discovery in various fields of science. But what's next for the James Webb Space Telescope? The future missions of this telescope are set to blow our minds. One of the key missions of the James Webb is to study exoplanets. These are planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. The telescope will use its powerful instruments to analyze the atmospheres of these exoplanets, looking for signs of potentially habitable conditions. But that's not all. The James Webb will also peer into the heart of our galaxy, the Milky Way. It will study the dense core of our galaxy in unprecedented detail, revealing never-before-seen features that astronomers have yet to explain. And we've already talked about the early universe. The James Webb will look back in time over 13.5 billion years to see the first galaxies born after the Big Bang. This will give us a glimpse of the universe in its infancy, helping us understand how galaxies form and evolve over time. I mean, just imagine the possibilities. New technologies inspired by the physics of distant galaxies, new insights into the origins of the universe, even new ways of thinking about our place in the cosmos. So yeah, the potential is truly mind-boggling. Now before we wrap up, let's check out some fun and fascinating facts about the James Webb Space Telescope. Consider this a bonus for all of you who've stuck with us till the end. Fact number 1, origami in space. You know how you can fold a piece of paper into a beautiful origami crane? Well, the James Webb Space Telescope does something similar. To fit inside the rocket for launch, it folds up like a piece of cosmic origami. Once in space, it unfolds, starting with the sun shield. Talk about high-tech origami! Fact number 2, gold-coated mirrors. Did you know the telescope's primary mirror is coated with a thin layer of gold? But don't get any ideas about cosmic gold digging. The amount of gold used is only 48.25 grams, which is roughly equal to the mass of a golf ball. Fact number 3. Chillin' in space. The James Webb Space Telescope is one cool customer. Literally, it operates at temperatures below 370 degrees below zero Fahrenheit or 223 degrees below Celsius. That's colder than a winter night in Antarctica. This extreme cold is necessary for the telescope's infrared sensors to work properly. Fact number 4, a tribute to a trailblazer. The James Webb Space Telescope is named after James E. Webb, NASA's second administrator. Webb played a crucial role in shaping NASA into the world-leading space agency it is today. Fact number 5, a long time coming. Good things come to those who wait, and boy did we wait for the James Webb. The telescope was first proposed in 1996 with a planned launch date in 2007. However, due to multiple replanning and skyrocketing costs, the telescope didn't launch until December 25th, 2021. Talk about a Christmas miracle. Well, that's it for today. The James Webb Space Telescope, with a little help from Flamingo, has given us a new deep field image that could revolutionize physics and science. Well, I think it's a reminder of just how much there is still to discover about our amazing universe. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What do you think about the James Webb Space Telescope and its new deep field image? Do you have any theories or questions about the universe? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic content. Thanks for watching.